Meghalaya Grassroot Music Project MGMP Season 2 kelas Sdang ha ka sau terik risau ha ka nongba Shillong ha pedeng ke jing ipo ipieng bat jing songkun da ka jingwan ya shimbenta shidraham da kiriu e jing ruai la penlong ya ka ni kata masa ka tem kaput hapo khandailat Shillong ha ka balawan pli da umentri rangba ka jela u konrad ki sangma kum ukongsan ha ka jing lang umentri katanat tourism uba po lingdo kum usimbut kongsan na luar ka menteri katanat ka kwat kakhya ka kong amperin lingdo ki MLA MDC ki officer na ki tanat sorkar bat kiwe ha ka jingkran ple ya ka ni katamasa ukonrat sangma ulaong ka jela ka jongi ka don shibun ki sap ki phong ha ka ni ka benta bat ka MGMP2 kadai ka linti ka ban penpau ya ka jingriu spa jong ka culture bat ru ban sandur ya ki sap ki phong jong kinong tem nong put bat kinong ruai ki jongi ha ka jo ka por ula ai khublei ru ya ki officer ki balala ban penlong ya ka MGMP1 ka ba sei so bat ka ba job hapo ka jella nalor kata ula ongru ba ka jing penlong ya ki ba kum kini ki program kadai ka sien ka baningkong e hapo kari kumju na kalyang uba polling do ru ula penpau ke jingkemen ban sakhi ya ka jing job halor ka nie ka benta da ka ba ongru bakin shim ya kisin jam ban nang kentiu shaprang ban yo mat shu ya ka jing job ula ongru ba kanong ba Shillong kan kalalong kum kanong ba jong ka tem kaput bat kum taru shen ansala ban sakhi shu ya kisap ki phong ha ka bayadai bat ka nie ka benta ula ongru ba ha kisnam ki banwan kidon ya ka jing khmi lenti ban penyar ya ka program sa baro ki benta jong ka jilla kata kenthop hamanlah ki headquarter lakhot penlong ya ka ni ka MGMP2 da katanat tourism ka sorkar jilla hal ringkat ka jinga trailang bat ka Meghalaya h ha ka bala sakhiru ya ka jingwan ya shimbenta shidraham jong ki patba ki ba e jingruai bat ya ka tem kaput la penchong shet ya ka te ka sngi ple lingba ki lai teli ki ken hon tem ba pau khmat ki ba ken thop ya ka sur ki nong kendong kala bat na ubanai
Kisin bansa mau long mau te ba krau kanam shisha ko mei marian na pa men ni man shisha ko mei marian na pa men ni man na pa ni ring men sir kaler bas ngau tenna na pa ni ring men sir
I'm happy to inform all of you that through the Meghalaya Grassroot Music Project, in the last season, 1,600 artists had performed in 3,000 different occasions. That means 1,600 of our budding musicians who did not have a platform before to showcase their talent and were not able to use their talent in a productive manner, got an opportunity in the last 12 months to showcase their talent, financially benefit from it, and were able to boost tourism as a whole in the state of Meghalaya. And that is why this is a very special program to us, apart from the fact that both Bapal and I are very much into music. We love playing music and we love listening to music. We love to see our young musicians really be able to showcase their talent. This is about the youth. This is about you. This is about utilizing your talent that God has blessed you with in a productive, in a constructive manner, and to be able to showcase your talent to the rest of the world. This is what this is all about. And for the first time, I'm presuming in the entire country, that a program like this has been launched, and Meghalaya is showcasing and showing the way forward on how we can develop a music industry out of this entire program and process. Today, all the different ways in which government earns revenue by promoting tourism, we are able to share some part of that revenue by giving the funds and money to our artists to perform in different locations. And this is how the economy grows, and this is how tourism benefits our local people. Today we can say that through the music scene, we have been able to create different kind of employment opportunities at such a large scale for our youth by utilizing the talent that they have. And the best part about season 2 is that we are going to make it even bigger. We are going to do it every day, and we're going to expand the kind of projects and the talents that you can showcase. It's not just singing now. We will do folklore, we will do different kind of dramas, we will do different kind of acts and shows, different kind of performances, different kind of stand-up comedy. All different talents that are there will also be showcased through this Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project. So I will not take much time. I'm sure that we all want to enjoy the music, and therefore I wish this program the very best, and I hope that in this year we will be not just able to touch 1,600 but thousands of other artists and allow you the platform to be able to perform. It gives me a lot of satisfaction and pleasure to be able to see our young artists perform in front of our tourists. I remember my younger days, and always used to wish that we would be able to stand up somewhere and perform for somebody. And really it's those experiences in my life that really motivated us and myself especially to make sure that the opportunities which we wished we had in our younger days, we would like to see that our youngsters and our youth get those opportunities at least today, when we have an opportunity to make things happen. God has blessed us with this time and this opportunity to make a difference in the lives of the people, in the lives of the youth, and I'm happy that this program will be one of the most far-reaching projects that we will have. And once again, I wish the department, I wish the team, and most importantly, I wish the artists and our youngsters the very best for this. May God bless each and every one of us. May God bless the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Mathela, and Jai Hind.